Alright guys, so for breakfast I have 2 whole eggs, 1 piece of whole wheat toast, banana, some berries, 2 of these, and then of course, some coffee. So welcome back to the 9th episode of the bulking series. I'm trying to speak a little bit louder so my phone picks up my voice a little bit better. But anyways, so plans for this video, as you can probably tell by the title, it's going to be a full day of eating. The reason being is because last full day of eating this is supposed to be a clean bulk. I ended up eating protein pancakes for breakfast, pizza for lunch, and then a sub for dinner. And today we are going to be training legs. So I guess I'm just going to eat breakfast and then probably going to go get some pre-workout and see you guys at the gym. So just finished up my leg workout. For some reason the fire department and the ambulance is here. Something must have happened, I don't know. But just waiting on my mom to come pick me up. And yeah, see you guys at home. Alright, so made it back home, obviously. Just got myself cleaned up and stuff like that. But anyways, I had a pretty good leg workout, so I did. Managed to hit 305 for 5, which was new PR for me for, I mean not for 5, for 3. But yeah, it was pretty good leg workout. But anyways, now that I'm home, I only had like 500 some calories for breakfast, and that's a low amount for me. Normally I have like 700. So now I'm going to get myself lunch, see what I can find. We don't have too much in the house right now in terms of protein sources other than eggs and dairy. So I'm probably going to do something egg related once again. So yeah. Guys, so for lunch I have an egg sandwich, and what's on it is, well, first off this is whole wheat bread, of course, and so have tomato, lettuce, and cheese on it. It's 1 whole egg, 3 egg whites. Then I have a pickle, because why not? And then a new bagel I found, I think it's seasonal flavor or whatever. It's cranberry. It's alright, it's not the best, but I like it. And peanut butter on the bagel, about 2/3 serving of peanut butter, and some cinnamon, and then of course some water. Alright, so I'm probably just going to eat this. Then after this I'm probably going to sit down and study a little bit, study the anatomy and physiology of the body a little bit, because I figure the more you know about your body, the better you can improve upon it. And maybe some karate practice, might just work on a little bit of kata or some basics, just kicks and punches, stuff like that. If so, I might share some of that, might record some of it. If not, then I'll be seeing you guys for dinner. If you guys have made it this far in the video, just put down in the comments "Swole's goal," so I know you haven't made it this far. And yeah, I greatly appreciate it, greatly appreciate you. And I'll be seeing you guys with whatever else I decide to do. right now I'm going to get my shower and go get something to eat. Alright guys, so to end off the video, end off this full day of eating, I have some graham crackers and granola, some Hilltop ice cream, and then some green tea. So that is going to conclude this full day of eating. I'm just going to eat this, go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The only thing I did not get accomplished today was a haircut. But, you know, it is what it is. Put down in the comments what more you would like to see, whether it be challenges or vlogs or more full day of eatings. Put it down in the comments, and yeah, make sure to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.